Hi, it's attorney Sherry Stinson here. I wanted to come on and talk today about why price is the worst way to hire an attorney and give you my top 5 tips for selecting good, competent legal counsel. I am receiving a lot of phone calls these days where the first question is, how much is this going to cost me? And while it's a great question and it's definitely one you should be asking, shopping on price alone is a terrible way to select an attorney. There is nothing more expensive than hiring a cheap lawyer, getting bad quality legal services, because it's something that can really cost you a lot more money in the end. So while price should be a concern, especially if you only have a certain budget to work with, it should not be your ultimate concern. So today I want to give you my top 5 tips on how to be the best consumer of legal services that you can be. Number 1, very obvious, is word of mouth. Ask your friends, family, anybody that you know and that you trust if they have done the kind of work that you too are needing done, especially in the area of estate planning. This is not something that people commonly say, hey, I did my will, I'm so excited. So you may have friends who have done this and you don't necessarily know it, but they might be able to give you some good pointers. Number 2, if you've ever worked with an attorney in the past, go and ask them for a referral. It's a little bit easier to do this if you're local, but I get a lot of snowbirds here. And so I have frequently, when clients move, if they're looking for an attorney in the new area, I will help them scope some things out. So feel free to contact an attorney that you've worked with, that you had a good know, like, and trust relationship with, that you feel might give you a good referral. Number 3, look at those online reviews. So we all have our favorite search engine where we go and we look up things. Take a look at those. And not only just a review from a certain search engine, but there's lots of other web pages as well that will give you reviews. One of my favorite ones for attorneys is a website called martindale.com, martindale.com. And what this website does is it rates attorneys not only based on legal ability, but also on ethics. So the highest Martindale rating that you can get is something called an AV preeminent rating. Only 10% of attorneys in the US are able to achieve this rating. If you were to work with me, I am a Martindale Hubbell AV rated attorney. They also have attorneys that are rated BV and CV. Those attorneys are very good, but that's a good place to start. Number 4, take a look at the attorney's website. Now, this might seem a little bit obvious, but you want to make sure that you choose somebody who really knows the lay of the land in this particular area of law, whatever you're looking for, whether it's estate planning, bankruptcy, personal injury. So take a look at their website. See if you get a good feel, if you can get any questions answered. Do they have any free downloads? Is there a way to get to know the attorney? And oftentimes attorneys will not only have their website, but maybe they'll have some other social media channels like YouTube, some educational videos. And so that's a good place to look too. And last, my number 5 tip is to go look on the State Bar website. Here in Florida, it's www.floridabar.org. You can go click on Find a Lawyer, and there on the right-hand side, you just type the attorney's name in, and it will tell you if the attorney has any disciplinary history. In Florida, it goes back 10 years, and you can actually see the complaints and what the final decision was in those. So don't shop based on price alone. You really want to be a good, educated consumer, and you want to make sure that you are buying the thing that is going to suit your needs the absolute best. And you want to make sure that the attorney that you choose to work with, that you're comfortable with them, that they're answering your questions, and you really feel like you got good value for your money. My contact information is here on the page. I work with people just like you every day. My guess is that if you're here, you may be looking for someone like me. Give us a call. Certainly happy to answer any questions that you may have. I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.